Hello, good people, and welcome to Finest Skills Hub. Here we learn, we connect, and we grow. So, we continue our series on exploring the 14 new functions in Microsoft Excel. And in this episode, we are going to focus on two: text before and text after. These two new functions allow you to extract text string before or after a delimiter. So join me in the next few minutes and let's explore some use cases in Microsoft Excel.
So we'll start off with this data set. I have some dates in column B, and in this format it's not really very helpful. I want to extract various components of this date into column C, D, and E. So if I want to extract just the day portion, I can use one of the new functions, which is text before. So what text before does is that you give it the original text string, which is this one, and then you specify the delimiter. So a delimiter is that character that helps you separate text strings. So it can be a space, it can be a slash, it can even be a letter or alphabet. So in this case, I have 3 spaces here, and I can use any of these as a delimiter. So because I'm interested in only the days, I'm going to put in space as my delimiter. So space is double quote, space, double quote. That is how you specify space. And then you bring a comma, and then the instance number, which is an optional argument, will be useful when you have more than one representation of that delimiter. So I have more than one space here, so I need to specify that I am interested in only the first instance. So I'll put in 1, and then there's a fourth option of whether to make the function case sensitive so far as my delimiter is concerned. So at this point, I can just end it here, and when I hit, I get Tuesday, and I copy this down. I have my days here. Now let's extract year. So let's use text after. The same logic. So I select the text here. Again, my delimiter is a space. Okay, and then this time around, my instance number is going to be the third instance. So space 1, space 2, space 3, and I put in this, and here I have extracted the year portion. Now let's look at extracting the month portion. It is quite obvious we don't have a text between, but we can use a combination of text after and text before to extract the middle portion. So first, let's start off by extracting the text before the second space, which will give us the day and then the month. So I'll do text before, select this one, bring a comma, and then I bring my space. Okay, so in this case, I'm looking for the second instance, and then I have this. So this is going to give me Tuesday and January. And then at this point, I can now run a text after. Okay, so remember, this one is giving me F9, Tuesday and January. So if I say it should bring me what is after this delimiter, okay, then I just have January, and I can just copy this down. Now let's try one last example, and with this example, if we didn't have these new functions, we would have to use Power Query to separate the names from the telephone numbers. So you can see I have some names, and then I have telephone numbers starting from 0. Again, using these same set of functions, I can use text after, okay, to extract from this text all the characters after 0. So I'll put in 0 here. Okay, so when I do this, I'm going to get this without the numbers, and I can now add a concatenation. So concatenating the prefix 0 to this will now give me the complete set. So I can do concatenate, okay, and then add 0, and then comma, and then I'll close off my bracket, and then copy this down. So this is one nice way you can separate numbers from text, especially in this situation. Of course, there are several applications of these new functions. We'll keep exploring. Please practice and add it to your list of Excel tricks. If this video was helpful and you would like to receive more of these videos directly on your WhatsApp, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We'll add you to our broadcast list so you receive our videos directly. You can also visit our YouTube channel, Finance Skills Hub. All our old videos are here. Please subscribe for notification of new videos, or connect with us on any of these social media handles. Thank you so much for watching.